Hey guys, it's me again with another live from Previewing Homes. I'm at Richmond American Homes, the Bristol community on Mountain's Edge. Such a beautiful community. We're in the Juniper floor plan. This floor plan is starting at $379,950. It is a floor plan that is 1890 square feet. And I'm going to flip the camera around for you guys so you can take a look at how beautiful this home is. So check this out. Models always look so nice because it's so nicely decorated. Look at the furniture they have. You have your living room here. I love this big window in the living room. It's nice and open, lets in some nice light. You've got some mountains back there. The yard is done obviously because it's a model. Look how big the dining area is. You can fit a table that seats 5 here. And then look at this quartz countertop. So beautiful. And the farm sink, countertops, cooktop, all gas 5-burner stove. The gray cabinets are so chic looking. And then look at this built-in microwave and stove here. Nice backsplash. I just love the gray cabinets. We're gonna go upstairs. These stairs are long, so if I get out of breath, don't mind me. So look at this nice little built-in desk area. Huge loft up here. We're headed to the master bedroom now. Look at how nicely sized this is. God, they decorate this so nicely. Look, there's that big window again. Love it. Love it. Wouldn't you want to wake up in the morning and just see this beautiful view of the mountains? And the sun sets that way too, so I can only imagine what the sunsets look like here. Check out the master bath. Isn't it gorgeous? Giving me some inspiration for my bathroom. Look at that floor. So nice. Separate commode. And this large walk-in closet. Let's see what we got over here. Behind these French doors, you've got your laundry. How cute is that? And then your second bathroom. Oh, look at the tile on that wall. Oh my gosh, how pretty this is. You have one of the spare bedrooms here. And then another spare bedroom over here. This house is beautiful. I love this new home site. So be sure to give me a call, 702-238-9725. Again, my license number is S.018-6545 with eXp Realty. Give me a call or DM me if you want to come take a look at this home. I can go ahead and set up an appointment, give you a quick tour of it, but please give me a call if you want to see this. Okay guys, until the next home.